Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have got an unexpected box. It is something from QVC. Now, I don't normally order from QVC, but there was an offer that was just too good to miss. My gorgeous friend, Drop Dead Fred, had popped me a little message a couple of days ago to say, Marcia, head on over to QVC and check this out. You can't miss it. It is such a bargain. And they are selling off some of their old Tilly boxes, which is Try It, Love It. And they're not a subscription box, but they are beauty boxes. And this box was supposed to be £20 and it's reduced down to £10, including delivery. So I'm really excited because I've never had one before. So here we go. Oh, what have we got here? This is just, I think, the delivery note, I think. Yes, it is. And this is the box. So it's really well sealed. It feels really heavy. Let me get some scissors so I can get into it. Excuse my hair. I've just got home from work. I've stuck my pyjamas on. I did put a bit of lipstick on for you, so I'm not completely scabby. But you know, it's just time to chill. I am now on day 5 out of 7, so 2 more days to go before I get a day off. And here we are. So this is the box, just take it outside the cardboard packaging. And how nice is this? It's so pretty. And then it says Tilly on the front. I'm really excited to get into this. So I did see what the products were. I had a quick glance through to see if I thought it was worth it. I cannot remember what they were now, but I do know it was a bargain. I will pop a link down below to the website and to this box, and if it's still available. Let me just, no, I'll check later. But yeah, if it's still available, I'll pop a link down below. I'll put a little thing across the screen just now if it's available as well. And it is, yes, so Tilly, Try It, Love It. Here's the box, and this box is Ocean Vibes. There was another box that was down to £10 as well, and they've got some of the past boxes at £20 also. So I think I'm going to just start keeping an eye out for these because they look fab. You can just dip in and out as you like. So this is a little booklet which I'm assuming gives you all the details of the products. This wrapped in tissue, and there's lots of wormies underneath. And this box is just so pretty. It's like a very funky ocean vibe. So, let's open the tissue. All the noodly wormies. All good. Oh, it is absolutely jam-packed. Right, let me get rid of the wormies. And here we go. This is £10, guys, including postage. This is cheaper than Birchbox, cheaper than Glossybox, just to put that into perspective. So yeah, here we go. So I'm going to dip in and let's get looking. So there's my little booklet. What does it say here? So Try It, Love It, Ocean Vibes. Sun, sand and summer are the only things we're feeling right now. With all your holiday beauty essentials inside, you can forget panicking about packing and start daydreaming about your next destination. Okay, so I'm not sure if they give the prices or not of these. I don't think they do. I'll pop all details here, and if I can find the products down online for you to purchase individually, I'll pop them in the description box as well in case you want to go and purchase them on their own. So first thing I've got, I love this, is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Pomegranate and Cassis. And I have just recently discovered this, and honestly, it makes your hair feel incredible. My hair has never been so good. I mean, I know you can't tell just now, but honestly, it feels so soft. It has relaxed it. It's really shiny. It's soft. Oh, it's beautiful. So this, it tells you about this. It says, so new, renowned trichologist Philip Kingsley originally created this hair treatment for Hollywood icon Audrey Hepburn. Didn't know that. A cult favourite, it delivers a rush of moisture to the hair cuticle to smooth, frisk and boost manageability and volume. This brand new fragrance is not available anywhere else. Excellent. So, pomegranate and cassis. Cassis, is that how you say it? Let me have a sniff. Oh, it smells really nice. So, I am going out. Oh, I've nearly got it on my nose. Pop some out. Get back in. Don't waste it. I'm going out with friends for lunch on Saturday on my day off. So I think I may need to do my hair, and I might have to just use this, and it's just incredible. So yeah, highly recommend it just for that. So sit that there. So next item we've got is, are you ready? Elemis. Like, wow. And this is Elemis Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil. It is 10 mils and it just looks beautiful. So this says, inspired by your skin's natural renewal rhythms, this innovative hybrid night treatment combines the hydration of a moisturising cream with the protection of an oil. Apply every evening to clean skin and wake up to a revitalised complexion. So I'm so excited to try this. And I think this is now my third Elemis product. I've just had a little run in the last couple of months of getting some Elemis things in my boxes. Give it a shake. This is really watery. I don't know if it's just because it's settled in transit, so it looks like that. It feels very light, actually. I think it might need a good shake, maybe, but not overly fragranced, easily absorbed. I can see why it's sort of a bit like an oil, but it doesn't feel greasy, and that feels really smells really nice. So yeah, thumbs up again. Next thing is Skin Sense by Abby Cleve, and it is a Hydronet Intense Concentrate, and this is this here. I'm not sure what this is. I've not heard of this before. So it says, quench thirsty complexions with this potent serum. Harnessing a patented lamellar technology, it helps your skin maintain its natural balance and keeps your skin hydrated for the whole day. So it's a serum that you apply before your moisturiser, after cleansing your face. So yeah, again, I'm all about skincare right now. I'm like really on it. So very happy to receive that. Next thing we've got is Ultra Sun Face Anti-Aging Sun Protection for very sensitive skin, SPF of 30, and it says once a day sun cream application is the dream. More time for fun holiday activities, right? This SPF gives UVA and UVB protection for up to 8 hours. Apply to clean skin in the shade 30 minutes before getting out into the sunshine. Now, I just kind of want to say, and I'm sure you all know, but sunscreen is not just for summer, it's for all year round protection. It's really important, like, to protect your skin against the rays, and your skin can still be damaged any time of the year, through the winter as well. More so, there's a lot of skincare products that you use now as well, like AHAs and BHAs, glycolic acids, salicylic acids and things. They can sort of increase skin renewal and things, and it just makes you more susceptible to the sun's rays. So it's so important to make sure you wear a good sunscreen, and this one is especially for the face. So I'll be really interested to try that and see what it's like. So yeah, it's good to get one at this time of year. Nice little bonus and a good reminder. Next thing is a little mini by Benefit, and They're Real mascara. I really like this mascara. I have got a couple of full sizes and a couple of minis now, and I think you can't go wrong with a Benefit mascara. It's just what they do it so well. So this one, it says, where are we? Oh, at the bottom. Your poolside persona needs this best-selling water-resistant mascara. It provides super jet black colour, length and volume, and will fit perfect in your carry-on. So yeah, this is a mini. It is 3 grams, but it is fab. Lots of people say they have problems getting this mascara off, and I've never had any trouble, and I'll just show you what I use to remove this. I mean, Benefit do an eye makeup remover, but you don't need to spend that type of money. I use this Double Effect eye makeup remover by Nivea. I just put it onto a cotton pad and it removes this really easily. I've never had a problem removing it. So cheapest place I found this is Savers, but you can sell it at Wilkinson's. They sell it all over, but check your prices because it varies considerably. and it's one of these, it's the one that's 2 different colours, and you need to shake it up and it will melt this mascara. So yeah, highly recommend that to take off that. That's a little bonus. Next thing we've got is, oh, this is in wrapped up probably to make sure it doesn't leak. Let me get into this first. It's by Ren, which again, I've just had a product this month in one of my boxes from Ren, and I'm using that currently as a day cream. Was it in my Birchbox, I think? And I'm really enjoying it. So yeah, let's have a look. There's a helicopter outside, so I do apologise. They've been filming the Fast and Furious round by us. We've had helicopter chases and all sorts, so it's been quite exciting. So this is Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This is this, and what do we say here is a gentle exfoliating toner that resurfaces your skin for a brighter complexion, minimising the appearance of pores, infused with lactic acid, azelaic acid and willow bark. Use daily after cleansing. And I think willow bark, I think that's where they get aspirin from as well. And again, so this is one of these products I was talking about, that it's really important to use your sunscreen after. So yeah, make sure you wear your skin protection. Next thing, something else that's wrapped up in bubble wrap. Ooh, I recognise the branding already through here. Oh, I love this. It is Rituals, and it is the ritual of, oh gosh, Ayurveda, and it is a harmonizing firming shower gel. Oh, my life is complete. I absolutely adore Rituals firming shower gels. They're just, if you've never tried them, it just, oh, it's like a little step into luxury in your shower. It is amazing. Skin feels gorgeous. They always smell beautiful. Where are we? So yeah, make shower time a little more luxurious with this uplifting Indian rose and sweet almond oil foam. Oh, I can't even spray it because it'll just, a little bit goes a long way. But oh, you can smell it. It is just beautiful. So yeah, I was so tempted to buy the Rituals Advent Calendar this year. And to be honest, if it comes up in the sale, I think I'll probably get it because I just love their products. They're so nice. So yes. There we go. Still 2 things to come. This is like incredible. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 products. Next thing, how cute is this? Look at this. It's a little brush. Looks like a wet brush. Oh, I love the colour. So it's this beautiful, soft aqua with pink writing. It says Tilly on it with a little kiss. And there's a little kiss on the handle. I love that, just for your pool bag or for your gym bag. That's so cute. And it says, where are we? So Tilly Detangler Mini Hairbrush. This utterly adorable hairbrush has been designed especially for you, our Tilly customer. Its stiff yet flexible bristles make it perfect for combing through post-beach tangles. The handle feels like one of those, almost like rubberized, but it's not. It's plastic, but it has a slightly rubbery feel. And then that's just so cute. I really like that. So that's handy. It's got a decent size brush head on it too. Cushioned base. And the little bubbles, the bristles have the little balls on the end to help protect your scalp and things. So, what's it feel like? Oh, it feels nice. Fab. Now, on to our final item. Is it the final? Yes, and it is Incredible Glazing Over Intense Colour Lip Glaze. These are doing, now this is like by the same company that do like Nails Ink. And so this says, in Daily Inspo Caramel Pink Nude, or More Love, Less Likes Warm Rose Nude. And this is More Love, Less Likes. You should get more likes for more love. Oh no, it's what's important is more love is important than getting your likes, I suppose, on social media. So yeah, I kind of like that. and it says high shine, high colour, high impact. This gloss gives a non-sticky wet look finish made for sultry summer nights. I am so excited because I am just not a matte girl. As you can see, got a bit of gloss on today, and I'm all about gloss right now. I just love the feeling. I just still haven't found a matte lipstick I like. I just feel they like suck the moisture out my lips, and I just hate the feel of them. This looks like a kind of colour I would use. Weird skinny wand. Let's have a look. Ooh. Oh, I like this. This is my perfect shade. It's a gorgeous mauvey nude, and I absolutely love it. Oh wow, I am happy. I am very happy. So let me show you. I've been very good and lined everything up in the lid of the box. I hope you can see. But look, oh, that's definitely my thumbnail photo. But yeah, how amazing is all that? So it comes to like 9 products. It's just over £1 an item, or you could say £1 an item and £1 postage, because that was £10 delivered, and I ordered it a couple of days ago and it's here. So that is fantastic. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I have absolutely loved it. Thank you, Jill, for letting me know about this box, because wow, it is an absolute stunning box, and I think it puts all the rest to shame. Even at £20 at full price, it is amazing. And I think now Tilly is definitely something that I'm going to be looking at now in the future. So yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed it. Do give me a thumbs up if you have. Very quickly, I'm going to give you a little sneak at what my next video is going to be. Maybe tomorrow. I've just picked this up. And it's a little carousel storage thing, and so my idea is now that I'm going to empty it at the end of the month. The start of each month, as my beauty boxes come in, I'm going to load it up with all my items in my beauty boxes so that they're there to remind me to use them, and I can try them and give you my thoughts on them at the end of the month and give you like a review of how they've all performed. So that's my thinking for next month. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you have. Leave me a comment down below, because I love to read them. And don't forget, hit the bell, because loads of you watch my videos but not many subscribe, I have noticed on my analytics. So I am really thankful that you're here to watch. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do stay, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Much love. Less likes. Bye bye.